Boost Mobile offers straightforward line cancellation, primarily managed through their app or website. For most prepaid users, which make up 95% of subscribers, canceling is simple with no early termination fees. Start by gathering your account details and IMEI number. Then, log into the Boost Mobile app or visit boostmobile.com. Navigate to Account, then Manage Lines, and finally, Cancel Line. Alternatively, you can call 1-888-BOOST-99. Be ready to provide verification, like the last four digits of your SSN or account PIN. Your line should be deactivated within 24 to 48 hours. Prepaid users generally face no cancellation fees. Postpaid plans, introduced in 2023, may have early termination fees up to $350, prorated based on remaining contract months. Boost prorates refunds for unused service daily, crediting your original payment method within 3 to 5 business days. Note that device recycling can earn you credits. Boost's Green Cancel initiative offers incentives like $50 for recycling devices. Remember to return any leased equipment to avoid charges. As of August 2025, you can also temporarily suspend your line via the app before full cancellation.